Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Does your family still have some home office needs and you need to use paper a lot? Well, ours definitely does. That's why it's so handy to have this awesome binding machine. This is from Binditek, and this machine is perfect for home office and for educational needs. I've worked with these machines in the past, and this is basically the little brother of the ones that I've used at my job. The machine is made with sturdy metal and sturdy plastic materials. It feels heavy duty, even though it's really designed for a small environment. However, once you get your paper ready and your comb bindings, this machine works awesome and you'll be super happy. Once you get your 10 to 12 sheets of paper, depending on the weight of your paper, you stick them in the machine, you pull down that handle, and it makes consistent square rectangle shape holes every time. They were super nice and even included 1/2-inch binding combs so that you can get started as soon as you receive this machine. So once you have your booklet ready, you place that comb binding on the top, bring that handle down backwards, and voila, you have the perfect booklets. So being able to have this machine comes in super handy. It's so nice to keep papers together and really helps you to stay organized with everything that you need at home. This machine is the perfect little size, packed with a lot of power so that I can do everything that I need to at home. It's sturdy, well made, and I feel like it's going to last a lifetime so I can keep using it. But that's just my point of view.